Many people choose organic when it comes to enjoying great food, but it never even dawns on them to consider choosing organic when it comes to feminine care products. They never consider the possible impact on themselves and on the environment from things that they insert into their bodies. I'm Dr. Alan Greene, pediatrician and author of Raising Baby Greene. And when I talk about the different ways chemicals get into the bodies of children, I usually talk about three main routes. Things that go in through the mouth, food, plastics, things like that. Things that go in through the air we breathe, including chemical fragrances and some of the fumes from cleaning products. And things that are absorbed through the skin. But when women go through puberty, there's a fourth important route of potential chemical exposure. And that's the lining of the vaginal wall and of the uterus. So to me, as a physician and as a father, for my family, organic, chlorine-free, organic tampons make sense. Just for avoiding the dioxins, apart from other things like chemical fragrances. But there's a side bonus. Choosing chlorine-free organic tampons can have a positive impact on the environment. The National Research Council for Women and Families estimates a typical American woman will use 11,000 tampons over time. Conventional tampons are often made with conventional cotton, one of the dirtiest crops on the planet. Only 2.5% of our cropland is planted in cotton, but 25% of all insecticides in use are used in the cotton plant, some of the nastiest pesticides out there. The World Health Organization says that there's 20 million poisonings from pesticides every year on average around the globe, 20,000 deaths, and conventional cotton is a big player in that. Well, here's the cool thing. If every woman of menstruating age in the United States were to switch out just one box of tampons, of the 16-count superabsorbency tampons from conventional to an organic tampon, we could prevent 57,000 pounds of toxic synthetic pesticides being released into our environment, the land, our rivers, our lakes, our streams. That's just with one box. Imagine if it were 2 boxes or 10, imagine if it became a movement, the impact that we could have. To me, this is a clear choice. Little changes can make a big difference, and especially if a lot of people do it together.